to the A. Yeah, I turn the world to the A, man.
League and Apple Music, thank you for watching the Super Bowl 58 halftime show. Go to Apple Music for a limited time.
That was all right. Blew it.
And listen to Usher's new album.
From here on out, don't you touch no control on my Super Bowl Sunday. Who gets the GOAT award? My dad gets the GOAT award.
Show broke the internet? Just wait till you see.
Hey! This man just grabbed a remote in the middle of it for halftime. So he ain't touched the remote all week. Wow. Wow.
Your size fantasies are going to destroy my house.
All right, Joshua. Let's get out of here before you grab the remote again.